Hey guys, it's me. As you can see, I'm a little bit sick for a while because I've been coughing all days. And yeah, it's my room is keep on blinking. Look. Yep. See? It's keep on blinking. You know, my aunt said she's going to massage me later. Yeah. So I haven't let you seen the Springtrap finale. Later, when I come back in home, I'm going to let you see. Right? Just be patient. You guys are amazing.